Hey guys, I thought I would do a quick little 5-minute makeup tutorial. I feel like I haven't done this. I don't even think I've ever done this, if I'm honest. So here you go. This is literally for when I'm running errands and I just could not be bothered to do more than 5 minutes of effort. So for the first step, I've been playing around with this FARSÁLI liquid glass primer. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I do like how it feels and how it smells, but I don't think it gives you like that glass skin look that it claims to give, but I like it as a primer. So I don't know, form your own opinions. But it smells so good, and I'm just smoothing it all over my face and then moving on to like the quickest step. I'm taking my SkinCeuticals sunscreen, and this one is the tinted one. They also have a normal one, but the tinted one really gets the job done. It just has such minimal amount of coverage that I really don't think that your shade really matters in this case. So I'm just smoothing it all over, and don't expect too much coverage from it. It is literally just like a very, very light, almost BB cream kind of vibe that also provides UV protection. So I'm all about that. For my concealer, this is my favorite concealer to use when I'm not doing a full face of makeup. The thing with concealer, I find, is that it's really, really hard to find a concealer that matches your skin tone without matching foundation, if that makes any sense. Like, I've looked for years for a concealer that will just match my skin without any kind of makeup on top of it. This is the only one that I found, I think, ever in my life, and it's the bareMinerals concealer, and it's in the shade Fairlight Warm 02. I'm just covering everything that I'm not particularly comfortable with, like all the dark spots and leftover acne spots that I got, and then also a little bit under my eyes, although most of the time I don't even cover my under eyes. So blend that in, and then next I'm taking my NUDESTIX Nudies, and this one's in the shade Brown Sugar Baby. If you guys have watched literally anything that I've put out over the past month on Instagram or on YouTube, then you'll know that this has just been my go-to. I love NUDESTIX to begin with, but this shade is just so perfect for warming up your face. It just kind of brings more life to your face, and it's super blendable and just not extreme, like a very, very natural product. I love their stuff though. Like, every single thing they make is just, you know, on brand for me, I feel. So I'm just blending that out, usually with my fingers, because the less brushes I can use during this routine, the best. And then setting just mainly my under eyes and my smile lines with some loose translucent powder. Half of the time I won't even go this far, but if I'm wearing concealer under my eyes, I should probably set it, otherwise it starts creasing. I'm also applying a little bit of the Bite Beauty Lip Balm, and it's very, very, very melty, so I use my finger to scoop it out and not apply it from the tube. Next, I'm taking the Jelly Beam, which is probably one of the more exciting products of this tutorial. It is just the FARSÁLI jelly highlighter thing. This one is in the shade Glazed, and it's just so fun, and it's so easy, and I love this shit. For my brows, I am not using any color because I feel like tinted brow gels tend to take a little bit more precision, and they also sometimes need to be blended out a little bit, which is why I'm just sticking to a clear brow gel. This is just the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. It's been my go-to for like 3 years as far as clear brow gels go. For my mascara, I'm testing out this Tarte Big Ego Mascara, and it's meant to be completely flake free and just stay on your lashes without crusting off of them. But I don't know, I feel like it makes my lashes a little bit clumpy still, which is a look that I don't mind, but I know a lot of people don't like very thick mascara. So it's really just depends on your preferences. It doesn't like clump in little balls, but it's thick. Like, it has a very thick coat. But I'm applying it on my top and bottom lashes. I usually just use whatever mascara for this step, obviously. For my lips, I like to go something pinky nude. It's usually either my Strip Down by MAC. But in this case, I'm taking my bareMinerals Bare Pro, and this one is in the shade Peony. I actually don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm very bad at speaking English sometimes. And that is literally it. Without me showing the products, this look would probably take me just right under 5 minutes. It's so quick and is my go-to. Hope you liked it. I know this is a quick one, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. And I will see you soon. Love you. Bye.